What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another banger video for y'all. And in today's video, I got one that probably a lot of y'all want to see. More POV for y'all. I'm recording the intro right now. It's like a week or two later because I didn't have an intro for this video. I was sitting here editing the POV video and I was like, hold up, I don't got an intro for this John yet. This is actually one of like 4 videos that I recorded the one day where I posted the day in the life. So if you haven't checked out that day in the life video, make sure you go back on the channel and check that out. All these clips are from that same weekend. I literally recorded like 4 videos that weekend because I wanted to stock up on content so that I was able to spread out the videos, have content on the way for y'all, and just be able to drop consistent for a little bit. Yeah, I got like 4 videos for y'all coming. This is about to be the second one. It's some POV footage. So yeah, I'm gonna just get into that right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to the channel, like always, like, comment, subscribe, throw that bell on, and yeah, let's get into this POV. I might as well give y'all some rain POV while I'm driving. Why not, right? Nothing else to do. And I actually like talking to y'all. It feels good to be back in front of the camera after so long. I had to get used to it for a little bit, but I'm really trying to start making these videos like real consistent. I know I always say that, but I'm actually serious this time. I'm trying to actually be consistent with YouTube and post as much as I can. So I'm about to give y'all a little bit of POV in the rain, driving an SRT in the rain. That is probably not the best idea, but you feel me? It's our daily, so it's always lit. I ain't one of them crazy cutting up type drivers, but I will say it is mad hard to try and hold the phone here and also drive. I really need to get a GoPro, bro, or like at least like a camera with a tripod or something. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feeling. I'm gonna turn it this way. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Drake album. Because a lot of people ain't like it, but that's really what I've been bumping lately. Like Pete. I've really been bumping Drake. Like this whole album on repeat. Because when the new album come out with somebody that I like to listen to, I just shuffle that album till I get tired of it. For real, for real. But another thing, bro, when it be raining, I swear to God, people act like it's a hurricane or some shit. They be going and doing the dumbest shit on the road, bro. Like, why are you not? First of all, you in the left lane going 30 in a 45. You feel me? Like, what are you doing? I gotta turn my wipers up more. Oh, that dealership had a vet. Little C7 over there. Oh, did I turn him down? Hold up. That's better. This isn't even really like a POV angle because the camera's not far enough away. Like, I need like a wide angle. Let me see what happens when I go into a 0.5. Oh, that's better. That's better. Why it take me this long just to figure that out? That I gotta be recording in 0.5. Come on, bro, move. Dang, I didn't never repeat. That 0.5 is really where it's at, though. Now you can see everything in here. A little fit check. We got a little fit check. Paradox hoodie, Palm Angels, and we go Nike Shocks. Yes, sir. Right. If any of you guys got your own YouTube channel, you know how fun it is to make videos. Like, it's really an underrated, low key thing. Making these videos. And this 0.5, it make you feel like you in a spaceship, bro. This is tough for real. Definitely tough. I just wish it wasn't raining, bro. The rain be killing my mood sometimes. I also would like y'all to put in the comments what type of content you're trying to see on the channel. If you want to see me expand and show more different types of content, put that down there. Put video ideas, put everything down there that y'all trying to see on the channel. We really about to go up. It's about to be 2024, and I'm really about to lock in on this YouTube stuff. I'm ending 2023 strong, and I'm going into 2024 locked in. Have to. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said in the beginning, stay tuned because I got bangers on bangers dropping for y'all. Literally got like 4 videos lined up. Working on editing all of them right now. Make sure you throw that bell on so you can see when I'm dropping my new videos because you don't want to miss them. We at like 3,200 subscribers right now. We are on the road to 10K. That is my goal. I really just appreciate everyone who's been supporting the channel up to this point, and we're only going to keep growing from here. You feel me? So throw some video ideas down in the comments. But other than that, stay tuned for the next video. It's SRT Dave, and I'm out.